And it doesn't matter where we are in the world, corruption undermines the values that we stand for. And one of the concerning statistics here is that only 6% of the people here think that the independence of the courts is very good. So that is a concern. And we will continue, both through our embassy and our links with our friends here, to help with the rule of law, and citizens and British businesses included. We are the second largest investor here in North Macedonia, and we also need to know that our businesses can work without corruption here. It is, of course, for the US government, their sovereign government, to decide on their own sanctions, but the UK will continue to support anything to tackle corruption across the region, not just here in North Macedonia, and we will take action if we deem it appropriate. It's also important, it may seem a detail, but it's important that our embassy team here in Skopje, in North Macedonia, they work with the Rule of Law project with key officials and, importantly, Academy of Judges to introduce new processes and help each other to understand the world. So we are really serious about anti-corruption as a way of bringing, again, this theme of stability and prosperity for all citizens.